Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make your character private in PolyBuzz AI. Can you make a character private? Yes, provided the character meets specific criteria. Number one, only standard character types, not specialized template or premium only models. Offer the option to set permission to private. Number two, if a character becomes too popular, example tens of thousands of messages of followers, PolyBuzz may lock it as public with no ability to revert to private. So here are the step-by-step instructions on how to do that. So during character creation, launch the PolyBuzz app or log into the web version and click on the plus button to create a new character. Then choose the standard character model, which is regular, and fill in the fields like name, reference image, avatar. Then head over to fill in other fields. These are very sensitive parts of PolyBuzz, so it feels like nothing is showing there. So just follow the prompt, and then when you're going to get to a section where you can, which is called the permission section, usually right under the greeting or tags and choose private instead of public, then tap save or create to finalize. And here's how to edit an existing character. Go to your character section in the app or site by clicking on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then head over to under characters, and under settings, click on the three dots right next to it. Click on edit. Okay. So this is a very sensitive screen, a sensitive window. That's why PolyBuzz has made up. And just go ahead and click on edit. And once you click on edit again and click on profile, and it's going to take you here. Scroll the way down to permission and set it to private and select save. That is how it will be updated. Or that's how it's updated. So here are the caveats and limitations. Characters built using premium, non-human, or specialized templates cannot be made private. Characters with high usage often become locked as public and won't allow reverting to private. There's no workaround for this, even with Discord support or account appeals. And private bots won't appear in search or public listings. Nobody else can interact with them unless you switch them to public again. Now go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.